Next, we have Ija Amrahi's scene for Make a Movie for Zhu, which means tribe. And there's all sorts of different tribes there can be. Minzu is just like um, just a group of people, like a tribe of people. So they'll call the minority groups in China 少数民族. So 少数 just means few number, so minority. 少数民族, so the minority peoples of China. But then you can also have 家族 is just like your family clan, right? But then they'll use it for other things. So they'll say like, here's a good one, 低头族, 低, so that means lowered, 头, head, 族, and that's referring to the people who are always looking at their phones. 低头族. So that's like kind of, it's funny how they'll use it for even things that are just like new phenomenon. And that's what's awesome about Chinese, because if you're going to come up with a new word, you have this bucket of meanings called characters, and they're going to go, okay, well, which of these meanings makes sense to put together for this new concept that's just come into our modern day? And Chinese is wicked at that, so you'll enjoy that as you continue to learn. All right, so let's get into Ija's scene here. The keyword is tribe. The actor is Zazu from The Lion King. The props are Russell from Up, which is the left side component. And the right side component is a quiver of arrows. And yeah, so we'll go from there. So, and oh yeah, right. So the Russell from Up is actually the left side component plus the top component. And then the quiver of arrows is the bottom right component. Yeah, because Ija's smashing it. She's so far in. All right, the tribal council has taken place in my childhood kitchen, and Zazu was reading out the contestants' names one by one. So just right off the bat, you want to think about this. Okay, the tribal council is taking place in my childhood kitchen? Great. Just what a good start. And Zazu was reading out the contestants' names one by one. Russell was voted off the island. Perfect. So I think this is kind of a reference to Survivor. Zazu extinguished his torch and said, "Sire, the tribe has spoken." Russell then surrendered the quiver of arrows on his back and waved goodbye to everyone as he walked away from the scene. So, pretty simple scene, but very strongly emotional. You get voted off the island. It's always an emotional moment. I actually didn't really watch Survivor, but a buddy of mine was watching Survivor the other day, strangely, like from like 10 years ago. He was just watching some old episodes of it, and I remembered like how, even though I didn't really watch Survivor, I got the cultural trope of like, oh, you got voted off the island, and that whole idea. So that's an emotional moment, right? And so yeah, everything else is there, and it's wonderful. Yeah, great scene as always. I mean, what can you expect? Ija is a black belt at mnemonic visualization.